All right, we've got an exponential word problem here that we're going to solve. So we know that given this information, we have to put everything into a formula of this form. All right, so let's notice what's happening here. In 2010, we know we had $7.5 million. So we have an initial amount. So we know that P is going to be 7.5 e to the kt. We know that's our piece of 0. And now let's use the other parts of this sentence. We know we decreased down to $6 million, so that's our P. We don't know what our K is, but we do know it's 2 years later. So we're trying to solve this equation. All right, we got to isolate the exponential, which means we got to divide both sides by 7.5. Boom, that's gone. Now we're going to need to take natural log. Natural log of 6 divided by 7.5 equals the natural log of E. All right, that is 2 times K. And here's a nice reminder. Oh yeah, natural log of E to the something is just that something. Those cancel out. Boom! We've got 2K. So if we divide both sides by 2, we've got our K value. K equals the natural log of 6 divided by 7.5 all over 2. And that comes out to negative 0.1116. So let's just comment on one thing. K is negative, meaning decay. That's good. We're assuming continuous exponential decay. And we can think of that as a percentage. That is 11.16% continuous decay. I'm glad it's negative because, hey, we were supposed to get negative. Okay, keeping that in mind, now we can attack the second part of the problem. Okay, so now we want to find when the worth of the company is going to be that $4 million. All right, so remember switch, so I'm using my pen. So we have a formula. And now we know that we're supposed to have a worth of 4. So a nice thing to notice here, we are solving for t. That's because it says when. So we don't know what our t value is. All right, it's the usual steps. Divide by the number in front of the exponential term. Cancel. Boom! Natural log of 4 divided by 7.5 equals the natural log of, and now I got the e term. And again, natural log of e to something, those cancel out, and you're left with the something. So now I just need to solve for t. Go way over here and divide. So t equals the natural log of 4 divided by 7.5 over that k we found earlier. And when I plug this into my calculator, I got about 5.6. We're doing years. That seems like a fairly plausible result. In other words, we're saying that it went from 7.5 to 6 from 2010 to 2012, and it'll go down to 4 and about, well, somewhere between 2015 and 2016.